Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word effervescent. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is effervescent. Let's break it down. First, we have F, which sounds like the F in effort. Next is ER, which sounds like the R in her. Then comes ves, which rhymes with less and is the stressed syllable. Finally, unt, which sounds like unt in hunt. Now let's put it all together. Effervescent. Try repeating after me. Effervescent. Now a little faster. Effervescent. And at full speed. Effervescent. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Effervescent refers to something that bubbles, fizzes, or is lively and enthusiastic, often used to describe sparkling liquids or someone's bubbly personality. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce effervescent and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.